In this video, how to configure computer power on automatically after power outage for ASUS motherboards. For demonstration, I will first find the IP address of the computer. Next, restart the computer. Press the delete key repeatedly to access the BIOS setup page. Switch to the advanced mode. In the advanced mode, navigate to the Advanced tab. Scroll down, then select the APM configuration option. Change the Restore AC Power Loss setting from Power Off to Power On. Click on the Exit tab. Click Save Changes and Reset. Click OK to save the configuration. For example, from another computer on the same local network, ping the IP address of the configured computer. As you can see, the computer can be reached by ping. Now, remove the power cord to simulate a power outage. As you can see, the computer is turned off and cannot be reached by ping. Now, reconnect the power cord to the computer. After a few seconds, the computer will start automatically and can be reached by ping. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.